Alright, picking up this 28J Flight. Let's see if the doors are hopefully not locked. Looks like a nice trailer. Alright, we got the keys. So not the same issue that we dealt with yesterday, except for they zip tied the keys pretty tight. I'm gonna have to cut that. Here, can't win. This looks nice. Let's see if we can get in there. Nice couch set up. Little table, kitchen. Looks like the bathroom's in the back. And the bedroom right here. Looks like there might be like a fireplace, TV. Very nice. Let's go check, take a look at. It's nice and rainy and cold out here today. Big slide on this. Alright, so this one 7,042 pounds, 33 feet 1 inches. Sorry, it's not a zoom. There we go. Got everything hooked up. No damage on it. Got my tongue all set up there. Batteries on. Strapped down. Nice trailer. Like I said, it's a little bit rainy out here today. Parking lot's a muddy mess. Let's see if I can grab my knife and get the zip tie cut on that door there. Then we'll get it locked up and be on our way.